Hi, this is Jake Wilson with Conscious Energy Consultants, and we're going to talk about what happens if you have a big hailstorm and your panels are affected. Well, again, this really goes back to who did you purchase it from to begin with. Now, if you own the panels, hopefully you got a tier 1 panel, because the highest quality panels, they are tested up to a billiard-sized hail ball at 70 miles an hour. So if anything's happening to your panels, there is a good chance a lot's gonna happen to your roof at the same time. This is why at Conscious Energy Consultants, we are also roofers and we have an entire roofing division to handle this for you. In fact, we work with other companies and they come to us to remove and replace the solar panels on the actual roofs themselves before they do the roof. So we actually take care of all this for you. But what does this mean for you as a homeowner? If there's a massive hailstorm and your panels somehow did get damaged, guaranteed 100%, there is no possible way other parts of your home weren't damaged that aren't going to be covered by the insurance company and your homeowner's insurance policy. So the good news is you're fine. Whatever your deductible was for your roof anyways, is already going to be covered, and it takes care of the entire solar panels and anything else in your property that happens all at the same time. Because the solar panels are attached to your roof, it is considered part of the structure, which is why it falls under your homeowner's insurance policy. In another video, we talk about how your solar panels will impact your homeowner's insurance policy. So if you have questions about that, look at that video. But once you've already had it and you need to make an insurance claim, just make your claim as normal. Make sure you get a quality company that knows what they're doing. And I highly suggest that they're a company that does the roofing and can also do the removal of the panels themselves. If you're in Colorado, Conscious Energy would love the opportunity to show you that we can take care of all that for you and make it so painless. If you happen to be in another state, make sure that the company can do it. If the panels have been installed many years ago or that company isn't around, you want to make sure you have an expert company that knows what they're doing to remove the panels. The roofing company almost never are the experts to be able to remove and remount the solar panels. So it is two separate companies that the roofing company almost always subcontracts out to do that work. So know who you're using, know who they're using, so that you're confident and whatever work is done is going to make sure you're taken care of in the future. One thing to know, if you are getting your roof replaced and you're getting solar, there is an item called an ice and water shield. It's this little thing, you just stick it off and they put it on the roof before they lay the shingle down. This is very important if you're getting an asphalt shingle, so that when they put in the bracket to go solar, what it does is it creates a waterproof seal wherever that perforation happens. It's very inexpensive and any quality roofing company can do this. And if you're even looking at getting solar, you're getting a replacement on a roof that had solar already on it. You want to make sure that that is getting done. It's only a matter of a few $100 and it protects you for many, many years to come. For any other pieces of information, you can always check out our other videos. You can always follow us at facebook.com/consciousec and our website, www.consciousec.com. For any other questions, you can always email us at info@consciousec.com. Comment video, however you can, get a hold of us. We're happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks very much. Thank you for joining the Conscious Energy Revolution and look forward to talking to you at the next video.